Hello and welcome back to Sundays with Selma. Today, we are visiting the beautiful holy city of the Wichitas, located within the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge near Indiahoma, Oklahoma. Join us as we explore this unique historic landmark, learn its inspiring story, and discover why it has been one of Oklahoma's most treasured destinations for nearly 100 years. The story of the holy city of the Wichitas began in 1924. Reverend Anthony Mark Wallock, a pastor from Lawton, Oklahoma, was exploring the beautiful Wichita Mountains. As he looked at the rocky hills and valleys, they reminded him of the land around Jerusalem in the Holy Land. The rugged granite mountains looked so much like the biblical landscape that he had a special idea. He wanted to create a place where people could see and experience the stories of the Bible. With the help of a small group of volunteers, Reverend Wallock held the first Easter sunrise service on April 4th, 1926. Only 5 actors took part in the performance, and about 200 people came to watch. What started as a small outdoor church service quickly became a popular Easter tradition in Oklahoma. As more and more people visited each year, it became clear that a permanent location was needed. During the Great Depression, the federal government helped make Reverend Wallock's dream come true. Workers from the Works Progress Administration, or WPA, and the Civilian Conservation Corps, or CCC, built a permanent biblical village. Between 1934 and 1936, workers used granite stone from the Wichita Mountains to build the holy city. They constructed stone walls, watchtowers, temple court, Pilate's judgment hall, Herod's court, the Garden of the Gethsemane, Calvary Hill, and many other buildings. These historic structures can still be seen today. The holy city covers about 66 acres inside the beautiful Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge. Today, the holy city is best known for its annual Easter pageant called the Prince of Peace. This outdoor play tells the story of the birth, life, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Over the years, the Easter pageant became famous across the country. By 1930, thousands of people attended every Easter. Radio station WKY even broadcast the performance across the United States. By the late 1930s, more than 100,000 people were visiting each year, making it one of the largest religious productions in America. Today, it is recognized as the longest continuously running Easter Passion play in North America, with most of the cast and crew serving as dedicated volunteers. Nearly 100 years after it first began, the holy city of the Wichitas continues to welcome and inspire visitors from around the world. Built from Oklahoma granite and cared for by generations of volunteers, it stands as a symbol of faith, hope, and community. Whether you come to watch the Easter pageant, explore the historic buildings, enjoy the beautiful Wichita Mountains, or simply find a peaceful place to reflect, the holy city offers the unique experience. remains one of Oklahoma's most treasured landmarks, where history, faith, and nature come together in one unforgettable place. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the holy city of the Wichitas. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Sundays with Selma for more travel adventures, history and beautiful places.